Shabbat Shalom, lovies. Happy spring. Shabbat is here. Shabbat is here. I'm so glad that Shabbat is here. Candles burning bright on a Friday night. I'm so glad that Shabbat is here. Shabbat Shalom to my lovies. Shabbat Shalom to Morah Lora. Shabbat Shalom to everyone. Shabbat is here. Happy spring, lovies. Shabbat Shalom. We're going to review, believe it or not, we learned so many things about spring. We're going to review what we learned, right? We learned that there are many things we see in the spring. We learned that we hear many things in the spring. We learned that we smell a lot of things in the spring. We taste some things in the spring. We touch some things in the spring, right? Spring is a very beautiful time of the year. Morah Lora loves spring. Let's go over it. Remember, the rabbit likes to eat the beans and carrots. And what are these guys that Morah Lora likes to plant? Tomatoes, very good. Remember we said that many people like to plant vegetable gardens, and Morah Lora loves to plant tomatoes. Look at this rabbit. What is he eating, guys? Sunflower, very good, sunflower. Remember Morah Lora showed you yesterday a sunflower, how you can make a sunflower? You take a big paper plate and you color it either orange or yellow, and then you make little cuts. Then you take a small paper plate, right? A small paper plate, and you also color it either orange or yellow, because sunflowers can be a little bit yellowish orange. And then inside you put black with your fingers, right? Black dots for seeds, for the sunflower seeds. And you have a sunflower. And rabbits like to eat sunflowers. Some people like to eat sunflowers too. Do you remember what happens to many babies? New babies are born in the spring, like the skunk and the rabbits and the kittens and the bees and the goats or the sheep and the deer or the horses, right? Lots of animals, baby animals are born in the spring. And many animals wake up from hibernation, right? Like bears, opossums, lemurs, snakes, bees, frogs, turtles, right? They wake up from hibernation. And do you remember what we said these flowers were? Dandelions, good job. Do you remember what a plant needs in order to grow? Soil, air, sun, and water. That's right. Look, we plant a little seed, then the roots grow inside the soil, then the stem starts to grow, and then the flowers bloom. And that's how we plant plants, right? There are many happy things happening in the spring. Look, the birds are coming back and singing. The frogs are coming back and leaping. The children are playing outside. They're flying a kite. The trees are blooming. Flowers are blooming. Grass is growing. And you see over here, birds, frogs, insects come back, goats, sheep. Spring is a wonderful time of the year. Do you remember what Morah Lora told you to do with the paper towel? You take a piece of paper towel, you put lots and lots of beautiful rainbow colors on it, right? And then you spray it with water, and look what comes out. A rainbow of beautiful, and you turn it into a beautiful flower. And look, you see, you have a beautiful rainbow flower. All right, we're learning the letter S, right? So today, you have this paper and you need to find the letter S on the paper. And I know you can do it. You're very smart. The next one is you need to find the shapes and color them the right color. What is this, guys? Good job, a circle. So you need to find all the circles and color it. What color? Yellow, good job. What is this? Triangle, very good. And what color is it? Good job, blue. So you need to find all the triangles and color it. Good job, blue. What is this? A square, good job, square. You need to find all the squares and color it. What color? Red, Morah Lora's favorite, right? What is this? Rectangle, brown rectangle. You need to find all the rectangles on the hot air balloon and color it brown. Good job. I can see a rainbow. I can hear the birds. I can feel the sun. Spring is here. I can see the butterflies. I can hear the bees. I can feel the wind. Spring is here. Goodbye, winter. Hello, spring. A new start for everything. Goodbye, snow, and hello, sun. Let's go outside, have some fun. Sing of spring and slush and mud. Pull apart a flower bud. Meet a rainbow, a robin, hang a screen. Grab the grass and smell the green. Pet a kitten, watch the rain dripping down a window pane. Spring is when we dig and hoe, planting veggies in a row. Good job. This is called The Bad Seed. The author is Jory John, and the illustrator is Pete Oswald. The Bad Seed. Are there bad seeds? I don't know. Let's find out. I am a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh yeah, it's true. The other seeds, they look at me and they say, oh, that seed is so bad. When they think I'm not listening, they mumble, there goes a bad seed. I hope you're not bad. I hope you're very good. Morah Lora is going to be very happy if you're good. But I can hear them. I have good hearing for seed. You really want to know? Well, I never put things back where they belong. I'm late for everything. I tell long jokes with no punchlines. I never wash my hands. Uh-oh, that's not good. Or my feet. See, you stinkeroni. Oh my goodness, I hope you wash your hands and feet. I lie about pointless stuff. I cut in line every single time. Oh my goodness, I hope you don't behave like this bad seed. That will make Morah Lora very unhappy if you behave like this seed. I stare at everybody. I glare at everybody. I finish everybody's sentences, and I never, ever listen. And I do lots of other bad things too. You know why? Because I'm a bad seed. A bad seed. Oh my goodness, please don't be a bad seed. That will make Morah Lora so sad. I will want to cry. I don't want you to be bad. I want you to be good. I just can't help it. Sure, I wasn't always this bad. I was born a humble seed on a simple sunflower in an unremarkable field. I had a big family, seeds everywhere. We found ways of having fun. We were close. Look at this sunflower, guys. Remember Morah Lora showed you sunflowers? But then the petals dripped and our flower dropped. It's kind of a blur. Sunflower seeds are delicious. I remember a bag. Remember Morah Lora told you some people like to eat sunflower seeds? Everything went dark, and then a giant I thought I was a goner. I thought I was done for. I screamed and I hollered, "Ah!" But I was spit out at the last possible second. I flew through the air and I landed under the bleachers with a huge thud. When I woke up, it was dark outside. A wad of gum had softened my fall. I felt okay, but something bad changed in me. I had become a different seed entirely. I had become a bad seed. That night, that's right, I stopped smiling. I kept to myself. I drifted. I was friends with nobody and bad to everybody. I was lost on purpose. I lived inside a soda can. I didn't care, and it suited me. Until recently, I have made a big decision. I've decided I don't want to be a bad seed anymore. I'm ready to be happy. It's hard to be a good when you're so used to being bad, but I'm trying. I'm taking it one day at a time. Sure, I still forget to listen, and I still show up late, and I still talk during movies, and I do all kinds of other bad stuff. But I also say thank you, please. I smile and I hold doors open for people. Not always, but sometimes. And even though I still feel bad sometimes, I also feel kind of good. It's sort of a mix. All I can do is keep trying and keep thinking. Maybe I'm not such a bad seed after all. Hey, look, there goes that bad seed. Actually, he's not all that bad anymore. I heard that he's actually a good seed. So I hope you're not behaving badly. I hope you're behaving very good for your mommies and your daddies and your brothers and sisters, and that you're good sharers and kind to everybody. Morah Lora will be very sad if you're bad. I hope you're not behaving badly. I hope you're good listeners. And remember, make Morah Lora proud with doing kind things and sharing. Shabbat Shalom.